All right, so what I want to do here is create a mood board, and this is basically just setting up some ideas on one area that I can kind of overlap and see how I can create my living room because I'm giving it an update. So what I've done is I've just saved some images from the internet and I'm putting them in here and kind of overlapping them just so I can get a feel for what this looks like. So this is totally a personal project, but I wanted to show you a feature that I love, 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 and this is the example I'm using to show you. So as you can see here, I've got this kind of grayish white box around the couch and it overlaps with this bookcase, and it's just not going to let me see it the way I need to. So one of the things I love so much about Canva is that if you select an image, you go to Effects up at the top left. It has this background remover, and this is such a smart background remover because you'll see this shadow in here and shadows here, and if you're used to like Photoshop or something that has like a wand tool or a smart, what are they, magic erasers, if you were just to like click this and hope that it would erase, it would keep all this shadow line, or you'd have to zoom way in and go around all of these little areas here. So Canva makes life so much easier because whether it be your face or a couch or whatever, you just select background remover and look at how quickly this works. In just a matter of seconds, it completely removes all of that. And I have it turns into a transparent background. So the frame is still there, but all that white is gone, and I can drag this wherever I want. And you can see all of that is gone. So it's super handy, super convenient. So I can start adding to my mood board by doing this. So I'll just drag another image in of some stuff I was looking at. You guys don't judge the fact that we're getting recliners. I'm just trying to find a chair that isn't hideous, because why are all recliners so hideous? All right, so I'll just move these around and I'll make it on purpose later, but I just want to do this one more time so you can see how easy it is. So I have the photo selected, background remover, and in a matter of seconds, it's going to be all the way gone, and it just makes it nice and clean. I have it sitting out like this because I wanted to see what it would actually look like, because I'm trying to find a cutish recliner. Another thing that you can do with Canva, the way that our living room is set out, we're going to need this side on the other side, so you can always flip it. If you right click, you can, okay, just kidding, it's right here. If you select the image at the top, it says flip, and you can flip either vertical or horizontal. I'm going to flip horizontal, and then I can go to the edge of my image, to the edge of my image. You'll see these two circles basically letting me know I can rotate it. So then I can rotate, make sure it's straight if I cared. I don't really care because this is just setting up a mood board. And then I can kind of see how these items all come together. All right, so that is the quick background remover tool, which I am such a huge fan of. I'm going to show you also an example here. This is a graphic that I made, and you can see I removed the background of myself and I put myself on this colorful backdrop. If I go back to my home projects, I've got a lot of those in here. Where are my projects? Where are they? Your designs. Okay. So if I go in here, you'll see some examples of how I did that here. So look at the detail though. It will do your hair. It'll make it wispy still. It's not going to take away any of those stray strands, which a lot of times like these background removers do. So that's one of the things that I really, really like about it. Like, it's so clean. It's so, so clean. So that's the way to remove a background super, super simply in Canva. I would invest in this strictly just for that background remover tool, because it's so convenient. So